Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream using condensed milk. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, have any flavorings or mix-ins ready. This method is incredibly easy and requires no special ice cream maker, making it perfect for a quick, delicious dessert. Next, pour your 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until stiff peaks form. This means the cream will hold its shape when you lift the beaters. This crucial step typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring a light and airy base for your ice cream. Now, gently fold the entire 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into your whipped cream. Use a spatula and mix until just combined, being careful not to deflate the airy cream. This is also the perfect time to incorporate any flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for your desired taste. Finally, pour your delicious ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container, such as a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours or ideally overnight until it is completely firm. Then, scoop and enjoy your homemade, no-churn treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.